What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another live trading session. Today we have three stocks up here on the scanners: BMRA, WISA, and RMED. So definitely some low float movers on very light volume. BMRA has a shelf registration back in 2020, has a float of about 9 to 10 million. So definitely gotta be careful on these. These can definitely hurt me if I allow them to. WISA has a float of about 6 to 9 million with a shelf registration this year. RMED has about a float of about 2 million with a shelf registration this year. I'd love to see any of these get back above VWAP for some trades. Definitely RMED though, because it's the lowest float, is what I'll be watching. If it can get back above that VWAP, get some volume behind it, we may be looking at a winner. So we're going to see what goes on today. We have about 3 minutes to the bell. We're going to be getting it in. Hopefully RMED can hold up this $4 level. Struggled up here at the 417, so we'll see. Okay, there's a little explosion. I'd like to see it get on the open, get up to the 420s is where I would like to be entering that. But it's got to get that pullback above the VWAP first. WISA getting on up there. Do not like that setup at all, even if it goes. Speaking of news, let's look at this news real quick. So BMRA had a little bit of news, thinking about buying stock in, is this news? No, this isn't news. No news on today. WISA had a revenue of earnings. Look at that drop from the $3 all the way down to the 285s. Glad I'm not in that. So RMED is my main watch on the day. I want to see it get past 420, and I would love to see it do a pullback above VWAP first. That would be great. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait on that pullback above VWAP here. It's the most volatile with the least volume. So let's see what kind of action it can give us. Let this first minute play out. Let's see if we can get a pullback above VWAP. Back under VWAP right there. I don't know what's going to stand out, but something's got to do it. Okay, get all this stuff out of my way. All right, cool. We got about 30 seconds to the bell. It's going to be time to play ball. Almost time. So RMED is the one I'm watching for a pullback above the VWAP. Let's see if I can do. Okay, that went in. Pullback above the VWAP is what we're looking for here. Snappy. Alright, there's the 418s there. Looking for a pullback above the VWAP. First minute bar getting hectic, kind of snapping back and forth. Even if it does break the 420 right now, I don't care. I need it to pull back. Whoo! Up there. Let me zoom back a little bit. Has a little bit of resistance right there at the 25. Okay, can we get the pullback? Wow, that's a big move. Big move. Still waiting on that pullback. Not interested yet. But definitely on a pullback, I will be looking at this one. It may go into a halt out of open. That may be what it's doing here. Okay, not a halt. Pulling back. We need to see some red. 30 seconds left on this candle. Looks like it wants to continue to push. Daily chart resistance is up there at the 496. So I put my resistance up there. That's an amazing move, but we have, come on now, give us the pullback. It's just way too extended right now. I was thinking about buying right on the open, but with that volume level, just not worth it. Okay, I think that's into a halt. OBLN pushing up as well. Getting on up there. Still has not given its pullback. So very low float movers. If you bought in right at the open, the thing is, it is so dangerous buying in at the open because the drops can be huge coming back down. Alright, let's see if this thing can hold up above VWAP. Let me see what exact time this one halted. RMED halted at 9:32:08, so it should be opening up at 9:37:08 if it's a 5-minute halt. So we will be ready for that one. Okay, OBLN. Where is that pullback, OBLN? Okay, nice. Looking for the pullback. Will it hold up VWAP here? Is the question. VWAP is at the 43. See if it'll snap down through that 43. Okay. Top side is a 54. Ooh, don't like that move. Let's see if it'll break that 45 down. Looking for a break of the 45s. Not seeing it yet. Very low volume on both of these. Yep. Okay. Will it break the 44? It got down there. There it is. All right. Now let's go watch RMED. Now that that has failed VWAP. Wait. What? Okay. WISA. What is WISA doing? WISA. Not really interested in that. We still got about 3 minutes left on RMED for it to pop open, so we'll wait on that. Oh boy, RMED may be the one today. RMED may, but it does have a shelf registration on it, so be careful if you're gonna get in. Have your exit planned and be ready to play ball because it can definitely move. So what we want to see, we want to see a higher open. We want to see a drop. Then we're gonna buy that dip. That's pretty much what we're aiming for. If it drops too much, guess what? We get out because we don't want to blow our account. with looking very weak. OBLN trying to get back above that VWAP, struggling there. See if it'll break down this low of the 37, and then we'll know it's kind of fading and it hasn't found its bottom yet. So let's see if it'll break that 37 down. Yep. All right, back up to RMED. What was that time again? 37. Wait, no. Yeah, 3708. 3708. So let's get ready for it. Looking for this 3708. $36. Here we go. Coming up on 37, then 8 seconds. $37, 01, 02. There it is. Can we get the pullback? Can we get a big pullback here? Or will it just go back into a halt? Okay, that was a little bit of a pullback. I might looking for the red here. A little bit of red. Give us just a little bit. Okay, it's going to continue going. Looking for a little bit of pullback here. Come on. Does not want to give it to us. Okay, it's going to continue. It's looking hungry. All right. Through the 25, I'm going to have to enter this. Did not give us that entry. 22s, 23s, 22s. Okay, there's some selling. Looking for it to drop a little bit more. Entered right there. It's going to have to enter there since it wouldn't give us the drop we wanted. Right at the $5 level. Holds of 25s. I'm looking, let's see, 27s, 25s, 26s. Maybe it'll give us the drop. I'm already in, but we'll see if it can blast out of there. $5 level, I will be out. Don't see the blast range just yet. Needs to hold up that 25, holding up. Okay. I'm seeing taking a little bit there. Looking like it wants to drop back now. Nice little lunch up there. Taking a little bit of profit. It's going to be a green trade no matter what now. Taking a little bit more. Taking profit. Okay, 80s, taking a little bit more profit. Okay, it's very extended now. I like it, but it's very dangerous as well being up here. Selling a little bit more. Seeing if it can push into those 90s. Not seeing it. Might be halted right there. I'm going to get down to 10 shares there. Alright, looking for another pullback. So I'm down to 10 shares, seeing if it'll halt. And I'll be looking for a pullback on the open. BLIN is also up here. No, not interested. Alright, RMED, we'll just watch it out of the halt. Got 10 shares left in it. We'll be looking for a drop entry. If it stops me out, it's all good because right now I'm in the green and I did take profit over the top. So it's okay. Let me go to my realized gains and losses. So most of my profit, 51 cents in the profit. Looking for a little bit more though. We'll see. We'll see how big this drop is. It's on very, well, it was on low volume. Now it's not low volume. Hopefully it just explodes up, give us a drop so we can re-enter. Okay, but let me go and look at the time stamp on that. Hold up, let me see what this is. VRTV, $53. Will not be trading that. BLIN, no. Okay, so let's look at the halt times for this one. For RMED, it halted at the 40.12, so it'll be opening up at the 45.12. Hopefully it opens up higher, which would take me even deeper into the profit. It really didn't follow the plan as much as I wanted it to here. Usually it'll give us some red, but there were so many buyers in there, it couldn't even give us a red move, and it just started going. So I was like, nope, I'm not about to miss this. Let me get in there. But it did open higher, which I did like. Now sometimes they open higher and they explode down. I mean, down past this little point right here, like the 480s, it would have exploded down, and that would have disinterested me. I would have been looking for dip buys at that point. But with it opening higher and then struggling to go down, I like to see that as a long. All right, 45s. Make sure my chat is working. Should be going to both. Yes, okay, that one went through. All right, cool. I was just making sure my chat was working. Sometimes it freezes on me. Anyway, let's get ready for this Mission Impossible here. Got 10 shares left, looking to add on a dip. Wissa making some moves up there as well. Not as volatile though. Kind of fighting in between cents there. Don't like that move. Maybe a little bit of a grinder. We'll see what happens with it. But right now, top mover is RMED. All right, we're coming up on the 45, so it should be the 45.12 is what we're looking for. About 20 seconds. A pop back up there. That was one that I traded the other day. Crazy mover. I'm gonna go and look at it after this one. It's got to get some more volume. It's got to compete. Here we go for the 45 or the 45 whatever 05 or whatever it is. I think it's 12. Yep, there it is. Let's see if we can get that explosion back up. 75s. Looking for the 75 to hold. Okay, it got me out right there. I'm okay with that. Did not open up higher, so we'll be waiting for it. Yeah, we'll definitely wait for it. Looking for that 75 break. Want to see 75s over here on the bid. Not seeing it yet. 73s. Looking for the 75 on the bid. Breaking down. Will it break the 55 there? Not seeing that 75 though. Alright. Well, it did stop me out, but I'm okay with that stop out because I was in the green anyway. Getting on down there, the VWAP. The top side of this is the 74. We'll continue watching it until it fails VWAP. I want to see it fail VWAP before I give up on it. VWAP is at the 539 right now. $530s. Will it break that? Yes. Okay, a little bit of a bounce there. Let's see. Now it's under the 9. It's got a big red candle there. So I'm gonna go and look at WISA real quick for some buys through the 25. Looking for a bounce through the 25 here. Looking like it's wanting to be a grinder anyway. For the 25 on the bid. $21s. Okay, struggling to stay in the 20s on the bid. Okay, here we go again. 22s. Looking for the 25. Ooh, kind of struggling there. I don't like it. It's looking for the 25 on the bid right here. Just could not get it. Alright, RMed broke down the VWAP. Looking like it's going to continue breaking down the VWAP. OBLN, got to give a pullback above VWAP. OXBR, news on this one. Little bit of news, but I don't really like it with this small range. I don't know. Not really confident in that. Alright, so this one broke down. OBLN, we got to wait for a pullback there. WISA, looking like it wants to go now. So I'm definitely interested. We can see that 25. 25s is what we're looking for. There it is, entered right there. Looking for a little push up there on 50 shares. Looking to sell a little bit. Selling there a little bit. 40 shares left. Looking for that push into the 30s. Selling right there a little bit. Come on now. Struggling a little bit at that 30 mark. Okay, 32s right there. Taking off. Just not seeing a big push there. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time. 25 shares left. Take all right there. It's looking a little weak. Alright, so that was a little green trade there. But as you saw, it kind of looked like it wanted to take my soul a little bit. Let's see if it breaks down this 321. Just would not go for me. Yeah, that's what I was scared of. Alright, let's go back and look at this one. Still failing. OBLN did not hold up VWAP. WISA, not looking too good. APOP was one that was popping. See if it can hold up VWAP here. I am interested in APOP, but Ew, it's not that volatile, is it? It did the same move that I made money on the last time where I got out up here and it just faded. So if it can't hold up VWAP, I'm not interested. OXBR looking like it wants to hold up VWAP a little bit. Okay. WISA, not too interested. So let's just watch OXBR. Over VWAP. Just not seeing the moves that I would like to see on it. And the volume is drying up. I just saw that volume just literally cut off. Alright, so let's go watch something else that's moving. WISA getting a little formation here. Can we break over the 30s? Let's see, 33. 33 on the bid, I may enter. TCAT, that's more expensive. So OXBR is a little expensive right there. Does have a shelf registration for this year, so that could, what's the bottom of this? Low of the 319. If the 319 breaks, that's not gonna look good. There's a 316, don't like it. That one's fading. Just not seeing. Whoa, IHT. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. That one halted, came down, looking like it wants to go. All right, take a little stab through that 50 maybe, but I don't know. It might bite on the 50. Okay, there's a little bit. Ugh. Yeah, let's just wait for the pullback on this one. See if it can hold up VWAP right here. Okay, I like it. I'll take it. Took it right there. If it comes down, oh well. It just comes down on me. Let's see if we can get that little blast out. If not, I'll be out. Got to get through the 50 here, and I will be taking. There we go. Very small little move. Took a little bit there. 20 shares left. Did not like that push. Taking a little bit more. Come on now, give me the push to the 60s if you're gonna do it. Taking a sweet time. Taking profit. Okay, took all there. Not about to play with that. Alright, IHT just would not give me the push, so went ahead and took right before that drop. Anyway, next one, OXBR did coil up here, so it may have a top through the 25. That's what I'll be looking for. But it does have these topping wicks as well, so we got to be careful. See if it can hold up VWAP. Let's see, this one's getting back up there. It's gonna have to do a pullback. It's working against this big red candle here, so I don't know about that. With OXBR, with not liking WISA. I don't know what it is about WISA. Maybe it's this descending candle, but it's like it's fighting back against all of this buying pressure. RMED. Let's see, you give us a pullback there. Top of this is a 66. Did not give a pullback, proper pullback, so I am not interested until it does that. They can push up all it wants. OXBR sitting still now. WISA breaking down VWAP. So RMED is back on the list if it can give a pullback. Needs to hold up above that 540 level. Yep. Needs to give a pullback though. Looks like it's gonna push on out of there. If that's your strategy to play those pushes, hey, do you. Just not my strategy. Waiting for the pullback. Here's a little bit of a pullback. Looks like that 75 is becoming a point for it to kind of be a problem. $75s. So the high of this was 75. So we want to see 76 on the bid here for an entry if it holds up VWAP now. Can we get that 76 on the bid? 65s, 66s. 76 on the bid is what we're looking for. Not looking too healthy right there. Ooh. $70s. Okay, so we want to see 76 on the bid. I won't be buying until then. 62, 65s. Okay, here we go. We see 76. Did not see it there either. Let's get that 76, buddy. 76. Okay, 65, 66. There we go. Add it right there. Gonna play off of that 76 break. If it does break down on me, it's all good. It's whatever. Nice little break there. Nice, nice, nice. We're gonna see if it can hold up that level and push to the 6. My out is right at the bottom of this candle. Looking for it to push that 6 if possible. 90s. Nice. Can it push through that $6 level? I may start popping off here because I'm getting nervous. Taking up. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pop some off right there. And nice. Took some right at the top right there. Took a little bit more. Taking. Following it up. 20 shares left. If it drops below that 605, I'm gonna be kind of looking to get out a little bit. 605s. Can we continue a little bit higher? Just looking a little weak. Got me nervous. Come on. Looking a little weak there. Down to 13 shares. Coming on down. Getting on down. Don't know what it wants to do here. 609s. 10 shares left. Can we get a little push? If it shows us red, I might need to go ahead and get out. Got that. Okay, exit all. Got out everything, I believe. Cancel that. Okay, well, I was not able to get out everything. I had 5 shares holding in there because I still had that stop in. But it's all good. We're still good. Meant to take everything, but I had to cancel that other one first. Alright, next. So that one I am pretty much not in love with anymore. OXBR sitting kind of still. SBO trash. TCAT, it's a little bit more expensive of a stock. It's only up 13%. With RMed going down there and breaking VWAP finally. VWAP is at the 568. There's no way I'm buying back into this right now. Not with this setup. This is a short setup all the way. If I was a short, I would be buying right there at that 57, that VWAP break. Because it's going down. And I'll be adding. As long as it didn't break this top right here of the 609, I'll be adding right here in this range for a drop. Okay. IHT back up there. Man, IHT is tripping. Alright. See if we can get a pullback above VWAP. Got plenty of volume there. Okay. A little bit of a pullback. Will it break out here? What's the top of this? Small breakout. We want to see a true pullback above VWAP. That's what everybody's waiting on. And then the top high is the 39 there. So we want to see that 39 come up on the bid. We'll be looking for entry after this candle closes. Come on, candle, close. Let's do a 41 buy. Since the 39 is such an odd number, let's do a 41 buy on this one. Breaking on down, breaking on down. Big buy up right there. So yeah, that 41 is looking like where I want to be. Ooh, look at that movement down. Way away from the 41. There we go. 29s. 32s. Looking for that 41 on the bid. I like it. Added there. Might have been a jump. Might have jumped the gun right there a little bit. But I added before. Looking for that break. It may be a bad decision. It was a double top, so if it breaks down that 9, I'm gonna go ahead and get all out. Looking like it wants to go though. How far you wanna go though? 40s. Can we get any more buying pressure through this? Kind of taking its time. Yeah, not liking that. I'm gonna go ahead and get out right there. Lost a little bit of money right there, but still green on the day. Did not expect it to slam like that. I literally said, hey, it looks like it's taking its time and didn't press the button. But oh well. SBO. Wow, TCAT, you got blasted. From the 24 up to the 26, got blasted, boy. What's RMed? Okay, RMed holding up here. Okay, I like it. I like what you're doing here. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close though, this 5-minute candle, so I don't get faked in. Okay, okay. Can we get a pullback? I like it. Definitely, if it goes up to the 6, I'll probably be in. We'll see. What was the high of that? Was the 69, so 75. Maybe a nice entry here. Hopefully it doesn't double top up there. See if it does, I'm gonna have to get out quick. Did I say a 75? Hold on. Okay, 90s. So it did go up there and fake out. Good thing we didn't buy. SBO pushing on up there. Not interested in that low volume. See. Okay, this one's up. All right, let's do this one. This one looks a little bit better. I like it. I'm gonna get in. If it crosses at 41, I'm in. In right there. Looking for a little bit more. I'm gonna hold this one a little bit. What's the bottom of this candle? The low is the 49 there. So I'd love to see it break. Are you serious? You just gonna come and break down like that? Wow, I'm red on the day because of this thing. This thing is a chop factory. Dude, if it breaks VWAP, I'm out. Oh my gosh. This thing took all my profit for today. 51 break. Look at that. That's aggravating right there. All my hard work gone in an instant. WISA not looking too good. TCAT also not looking too good. OXBR has this bottom of the 212. If it can go up above the 219, that would be amazing. But it just doesn't have any kind of volatility. This one I don't know about. Well, I'm not seeing what. Are you serious, bro? Are you? Let's go. Let's just go, bro. Let's go. I know you want to push out. I did enter right there at the top. I'm okay as long as it doesn't come down below the 9. I've lost on this one before, but man, it just continues to test up there, and I just have a feeling it's going to actually break that 50 and want to continue to go here. Add it again right there. Looking for it to continue out of here. Looking for it to break that 50 and continue. Let's see it do it. Can it? It's got the 50 on the bid. Can we see the 51s? 51 right there, 52. Don't want to see a big explosion down here. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Back in the green on the day. Nice. Taking up there. Taking. Can we get the 90s? 90s. Scalping that one. 30s. Oh, the way back to the green, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Getting up there to the 8s. Taking off. 10 shares left. We're going to follow it up. All the way back to the green, baby. Looking for it to push that 8. Looking for it to push that 8. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Taking a little bit up there. Can we get happy and continue going? See the breakout here. Taking this little time. Taking a little bit right there. Taking a little bit more. Looking for this pop out. If it can't happen, nice, nice. Taking. Greedy boy out here, boy. Greedy. Taking all the way up. 3 shares left. Made all of that money back. Getting on out of there. Can we get a little bit more of a push? 18s, 20s, through the 20s. We didn't hold the 20s. 30s. Holy Jesus Christ. All right. I'm just going to let that one share play. I'm already super green. It doesn't really matter. Up 96 cents. Got all of my money back on the day. 50s. Okay, looking like it's kind of struggling right there. Into a halt. I'll let that one share play out. But as you can see, made all of my money back in one trade. Got that one share left up there. If it comes down and breaks, oh well. Realized gains and losses are looking nice now. I got to refresh this. Well, I guess I can't refresh it right now. But definitely took some nice profits there. All the way back to the green, baby. Lost everything. Boy, the market is something serious. You can't make this up. If this wasn't live, you wouldn't believe that it happened. All right, CHCI. I don't even know how much that is. Let me look at my balances. Up 15. So I was up quite a bit, went to the red, and then now I'm back to the green. So, oh well, we're okay. Let's see if we can make some more with this last 200 bucks. IHT was just playing around a lot, man. CHCI still trying to get his volume up. We'll be looking for dips on IHT. We'll be going in small share size as well because I'm not playing with this. Don't want it to take all my money again. Because I think it was the one that took my money the first time. All this choppiness. But the more the account grows, the more opportunities that I will be able to take. So, stay tuned. Let me see what time it actually closed. Trade halts. IHT halted at the 11:14, so it should open up at the 16:14. So we got 3 minutes left on that one. RMed looking trash. SBO. That one's gonna have to get some more volume for me to even. It's only it doesn't have any news on today. That's why it's moving like that. I don't even know if TCAT or not TCAT. What's the one I'm in right now? IHT has any news on today. I just traded it. I didn't even do any research, which is stupid. But you know, sometimes stupid gets you paid. Let's go look at IHT. Does it have any shelf registrations? No shelf registrations. IHT has, wow, its float isn't even up here. It's NA on Yahoo Finance, which means not available. It has 3.16 in the float on FinViz. So let's watch for pullbacks on this one. Again, the time for it to open is the 16:14. 16 minutes, 14 seconds. So in 1 minute, pretty much exactly. Okay. Let's get it, boy. That thing paid me back quick after taking my money. Now, see, this is the problem when I had $500 to trade in my day trading account. and I was splitting it 250 per day, like literally I'd be out of money so quick. It's like, why? And I would see them do these moves after I get knocked out around this area. But now I'm spreading my money out like butter, and I'm really capitalizing on the opportunities and managing the amount of money that I put in per trade. So, all right, here we come. 1614. Let's get it. Let's see the dip and the buys. There we go. Dip. Bought that. Looking for a push up there. Only in 5 shares right there. Added 10 shares. Looking for the green. Added. Looking, waiting, watching. Let's see if it wants to give us something here. Another dip. Proving itself a little bit strong. Let's see if it can give us that move up. 30s. Come on, baby. Give us that move up just a little bit, and I will be taking. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Right back down. We want to see it hold those 35s there. 35s, 40s, 43s. There we go. Taking. Ooh, pop down quick. Okay. Taking a little bit there. Limiting my risk here. Don't know what it wants to do. Trying to hold up the 50 here. I would love to see it explode. Just not seeing that motion. Okay. Yeah, got all out right though. What? What? I went short? Are you serious, bro? Chill. Well, if I'm gonna go short, let's do it to the fullest. Should be stopping me out here. Why can't I exit? Boy, I tell you what. I'm in short. And I need to exit. Dang it. I need to exit now. Before it pops. Come on, bro. Oh, I need to do a limit out. This may be bad. I'm gonna let it break down here. It did not open up that much higher, so hopefully it just fades, possibly. Looking for the breakdown of this level. That was a nice little fake there, but it's gotta break down. If it goes higher, it's gonna start busting me. It's gotta break down here. Oh my god. I'm gonna just have to let this one play. Come back down and fail. In short, 18 shares. It would not allow me to get out. Holy Jesus. Come on, IH. You were so choppy. I know you want to be choppy again. And plus it's super extended off the VWAP as well. I didn't see that. So let's see if it can break down this level here of the 814. Come on, man. Break down, dude. You got this. We want to see those 30s come back into play just like that. Would love to see it break this. Oh boy. Come on. I don't know how I accidentally went short on this, but it's just not good. The high there is the 45. It looks like it wants to continue going. I'm gonna have to get out of this. Okay, looking like it wants to break down the 30s there. Please break down those 30s. Oh, it's getting bought up. Pushing the shorts out. Please break down the 30s. That's all I need to see. That was a 30 tap right there. Come on, give us that breakdown. Oh, boy. 30s. Dang it, man. I did not mean to go short there. God. Looking for the big drop here at some point. Please get that drop. Looking for the breakdown of the... Alright, so yeah, feelings are getting hurt now. Alright, so it has a 71 top there. Let's put that as our support. Thank God. Go down. Just please break that level right there. That's all I want to see. '30s. Come on, break that level. 35s. We want to see the 30s come back on to. We want to see this 35 breakdown. Come on. You got this. You got this. 30s got to come back into play. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to go, though. I don't know. Not looking too good for me. Man, I can't believe I'm in here with this bull. Alright, there's a little bit of a breakdown. Alright, can we break that? And it's immediately back up. I just need to see it break that level of the 815 right there. Come on, 815, you can do it. Get me paid. '30s, we need to see the 30s break. 30s, 35, 32. Let's see those 30s break. '30s coming into play. Can we get the 20s? 31s, 28s. Come on. 30s. Come on. I want my money back on the day, buddy. 28s, 27s. Come on. Break that 15 big. Oh, bouncing off that level again. '25s just came into play. Looking for that 20. Come on. Come on, shorts. Push it down for me. It may give a little bit of an upward movement there. Oh my goodness, how did I go short on this? Oh, this is going to be really bad if it continues higher. Break of that 30 is what we're looking for. Okay, can we get a big drop here? Holy Jesus. Alright, so I may have to go ahead and just exit because this is tripping. This is about to go. Okay. Yeah, this one's gonna kill me. I might need to go ahead and exit this right here. Yeah. Big topping tail there. And the thing is, I can't buy right now because these are short positions. So if I buy, it's going to cover. And that is the grace of God right there. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Holy. All right. That right there was the grace of God. Seriously. Seriously. Look at that. All right. So while I'm down here, let's go ahead and see if I can exit some of these shares. Let's see if it'll break VWAP. Nah, I ain't gonna play with that. Exited a little bit right there. Looking for it to break VWAP, maybe, possibly. Push down through that VWAP. Okay, getting out right there. 8 shares left. That was the absolute grace of God. I don't even understand, bro. That was insane. Let's see if it'll, looking like it's getting some pops there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Okay. 5 shares left. Four shares left. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm gonna go ahead and get all out. I don't trust it anymore. So ending the day, let's see. Man, that was crazy. How much money did I use? I probably used everything. Let's see. I don't know. Whatever I used. Oh, man. Alright, so I have nothing left to trade. I am done for the day. I gotta go clean up all this sweat. So, yeah. Definitely had me sweating right up here. Because I thought it was murder. It was about to be murder was the case up here. Oh my gosh. That was a nice trading day. I did end green. Praise the Lord. If you traded something, drop it in the chat. What did you trade? Man, I just can't believe that. And the thing is, if I would have been playing to the long side, I actually would have bought this break of the 50 and took profits up here as a long. But wow, definitely a nice little short right there. But whew, sweaty. Feel like I've been in a Call of Duty game playing too hard. Yes, but wow. I guess I can keep the stream going for about 30 more minutes and we can see what pops up. But RMed took a big little lunch back up there, but could not pull back above the VWAP. Man, IHT almost took my life. What if I was in with 50 shares short or 100 shares short on accident? That would have killed me. But it also would have been very good if I was holding and it did that drop. Oh well. So we are up a little bit more on today. So we made 30 bucks on Monday. Very small green day yesterday because I just was not feeling any of the stocks really. And then today, just adding like maybe 15, 13 bucks. And I am done for the day. Let's look at my realized gains and losses while we are waiting. So $1.10 in the profit long. Those short positions, let's look at where those short positions. And so the short positions show up red here. It's 22 cents in the profit on those short positions. So even though I was definitely wrong in taking the position, it was still went in my favor because I held. If I would have exited, I would have lost all of my profits on the day. But yeah, I had a couple of losing trades on IHT RMED. So those are my losing trades. On WISA, all of the WISA trades were green. But yeah, man, that was crazy day. Crazy day. Let's see how many buys I actually did. Buys. Here are my buying positions. Wow. Came out of the day unscathed. I don't know how I accidentally went short though. I remember I sold. I don't know. Maybe I overpressed the button or something. Maybe I pressed it a couple more times than it should have been pressed. But it's all good. I didn't lose them any money. So WISA getting back up there above VWAP. I don't like it when they slow down right there on VWAP. What ends up usually happening is a drop. Well, look at that. Look at that. Look what's happening. Drop, and it's probably going to break this 304 level when it does drop, if it drops. Getting bought up there a little bit. Little pop and then drop. Pop and drop. Come on. Drop through that 304 level like you want to. There it is. What? Almost. Wait, did it drop through it? It did not. So it bounced off of that 304 level. Boy, look at that. Look at that. So even if I did hold that short position, I only would have got just a little peek through the VWAP there and would have had to hold again for the next drop. So glad I sold it where I did. There's the rest of the drop. Back down there to the 754. I know it's going to continue to drop after this. So, man, today was a exciting day where I almost lost everything. Twice. One was planned and the other one was definitely just stupid. But sometimes stupid survives in the market. So RMED holding up VWAP right there. It may get a little bit volatile, but who cares? I'm done trading for today. Don't want to get trapped. It has a lot of work to do to get over this red candle. So I guess maybe if it starts going up and kind of makes it to this median point of the $6 level and holds that, maybe there'll be some entries to the top. But it is the #1 stock on the day. So yeah, if you're using Charles Schwab and you're trading as a long trader, and if you press that sell button too many times, it will take you short, which it just did to me. So be careful. And I think I used I used a little bit of the other account as well, because to go short, I had $56 left and the price was 17. Let me add this up. I think I used a little bit more than I had to use. So the price was about 7. Well, at that time, where was it? I went short like up here somewhere maybe. Let me go look so I can see how much more capital I used than I should have. Why isn't the price in here? The price should, let's see if I can put the price in here. Cost. Yeah, let's put cost in there so we can actually see where I bought in on these. There's the cost. No, I want to see the price. Never mind, not the cost. I want to see the price, but it doesn't look like it has price on this one. Oh well. So no price on this one. Alright, well, cancel that. I thought I just got rid of that cost. How do you get rid of cost? There, and then hit OK. That's where it is. Okay. Alright, so where did I enter on those? And how do I even tell which ones I went short on? Because they look just like sales. I don't know, man. Let's just guesstimate and say about 814-ish is where I bought in. And I'll just calculate off of that. 814 took 18 shares at 814, so 814 times 18, that will put me at $146 over what I should have spent today. So $146 over. Okay, well, if you go short, it still costs money, so that's cool. IHT going on down there. In hindsight, you know, this could have been a nice hold position, but I already it went against my plan. Okay, this one's going up, looking like it's trying to break out of the sixes. Like I said, if it was going to hold that 6, starts to hold that 6, that's where you would like to be entering. Nice volume behind it. Going up there, it may do a breakout, but I would want to see it pull back to this 6 level and hold. Because if it just blasts right back through it, you know that's weakness. But I mean, you could have taken scalps here, of course, but definitely you could have another entry if it holds this $6. Oh, look at it. Just snap through the 6. Don't like that. That's what we would have been scared of right there. Right there. It's got to hold that 6 level. Wow, wow, wow. So if I spent $150 over what I should have about $1,400 or $1,300 to trade tomorrow due to that. RMed 603. The thing is with Charles Schwab, I don't know how they do it. I have a cash account, so I don't know how I went short. But I'm pretty sure, I don't know. I know I was green on the day. I got out and then it went short. So I don't know how they handle that. With a cash account, how does it allow me to go short? I don't understand. And it actually used my cash. So the last $56 that I had there, actually, you know what? I used less than $146 because I used $56 on that. So that's about $100 over of what I should have spent. I don't know how it happens, because this is definitely not a margin account. Guess it'll update tomorrow if I'm super red. Yeah, but that's what we wanted to see. Could it hold up the 6? It could not, and so I believe it's going to continue moving downwards, especially after these 2 topping tails. SBO trash, CHCI trash, WISA. Like I said, now WISA, I call this one. Whenever it slows down right at VWAP like that, I get scared as a long, because especially if it's coming from under VWAP coming over and it just slows down, I'm like, okay, this is not looking good. I cannot stay or sit in this. It's got to break out of the 315 or it's going to break down. And as you can see, slowed down and broke downward. What? NRGU is $166. Why is it even here? That is super big. Our mid going on down there, looking like it wants to fail the VWAP. Alright, so I'm done trading. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down here. I'll be back tomorrow morning to update you on what happened with that short position. I don't really know what's going to happen, because I mean, I made money on the short position, but I don't know like how to show up in the account as a cash account. Will they take the profits and be like, yeah, you you thought you made that money, you were red on the day. But I don't know, we'll see. I was hitting my hotkeys very quickly trying to get out of that, so alright, let's go ahead and shut it down. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're going to continue trading, please be very careful trading, especially if you're trading these very volatile stocks, because the bots are about to wake up. And by the bots, I mean the algorithms and all of the crazy codes that wake up later on in the day, midday. Anyway, stay safe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.